Hi Bearcats, this week's lockdown workout is all about strength and mobility. We often ignore mobility and flexibility in our workout, but it's super important to prevent injury, to warm us up and get us ready for a workout, and also to help develop our strength in the meantime. So today's workout, you're going to be doing 8 to 10 repetitions of each of the exercises. Give yourself a little rest after each one and then repeat all of them up to 3 times. You can use this as a standalone workout, or you can use it as a warm-up in preparation for a strength or a HIIT session. So let me know how you get on and enjoy.